Hi all, welcome to my channel K4 Coding Academy. Today we'll learn how to create blood donation camp beginner-friendly application. Step 1. To create Streamlit app with MySQL. First we need to import libraries and create DB connections. Here we are importing Streamlit as ST and pandas as PD with SQL connector. Now I am creating method to connect with MySQL. Method you can create by using def keyword. To create connection, you need to provide certain parameters like hostname, username, password, and database. Here I am using connect method from my SQL library and providing my machine MySQL details. Step 2. Now our connection method has been created. Now I will write method to insert data in my SQL database. As mentioned earlier, we can create method by using def keyword. I am creating insert_donor method with parameters like name, age, blood type, contact. Then creating connection and cursor and query. After writing all variables, now I am passing to cursor method cursor.execute with query and parameters. Post cursor execute, we need to commit and close the connection. Insert data method we already created. Now we have to create fetch data method to retrieve the details from my SQL database. We will follow the same process. First create connection object and query variable. Now we will call the pandas to run the SQL command and return the data. Till now we have created method to insert data in database and fetch data in database. Now let's design the UI and call the method to save the data. First, we will write Streamlit form as registration form. We will take text input for name, blood type, and contact, and for age we'll take number input with the validation of age between 18 to 65. At the end we'll place submit button and call insert donor function to save the data in MySQL based on variables passed to method. Post creating fetch data method, we need to display the details on page. Now we need to assign donors_df variable to store fetched records. We have to pass the donors_df variable to Streamlit dataframe function to display data on page. Till now we have created method for insert and fetch data. Now we'll see how to filter the data based on blood group. First we will create header for search and then form and selection box with blood type to display the filtered data based on blood type. Post complete ion of filtered data block, we will run the app and we'll check the output. Thanks for completing this tutorial. Now we will check sample data on operations like insert, fetch, and filter on the created application. I hope you enjoyed and learned basic project creation with Streamlit and MySQL. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coding!